Hello, this is Kim Schaefer, Manager, Commissioner of the Compadres Conference, and I'm having a lot of questions about how can I exchange players, or in fantasy football terms, how can I pick up a player in free agency? So let's take a quick look at this. It's actually quite simple. You can do it on your phone, but I prefer to do it on the computer, and let's go. So first we're just going to type fantasy.yahoo.com, fantasy football, clicking on that, and then clicking on my team. Taking a look at my team, and the guy that I want to get rid of is this Jamison Crowder, the wide receiver. Just not a fan right now, so I want to get a new wide receiver. And let's go to the player list under players. And this is something super quick up here. If you want to do additional research, it will give you some ideas. But I like to do it this way, to be honest. The status, all available players, the position, all offense. I want a wide receiver only. And I want them for the rest of the season, so I'm going to look at the remaining games projected by the Yahoo Fantasy Calculator. And then I want to show my team too because it's interesting, and I'm going to click on Filter. And then fan points. It took me a while to figure out that this means fantasy points projected. And I click on that just to make sure that it's sorted properly from high to low. And there are my wide receivers. And here's a guy for 117, but he has a red IR. That means injured reserve. That means he's going to be hurt for a while. And for 2 points less, I can pick up Paris Campbell. Well, how about that? I mean, I would pick him up just for the great name. So plus, and then there he is. And where's the guy that I want to get rid of? He's down there, so I click on his negative. Add Paris, drop Crowder, and voila, there is Paris, no pun intended. So that was quite easy, wasn't it? Let's say you just need, look at this kicker here. He's going to be on a vacation on week 6. That's his bye week. So I'll need to pick up a new kicker on week 6. I don't have to do that to right before week 6, but here's another little quick shortcut I used. Player list. Go down, and we just want a kicker, right? So kicker, and we just want them for week 6. So we go week 6 projected, and filter, making sure they're sorted in the right direction. And there we have 2 that are projected to get 9 points. Again, I would not do this until week 6. Please note you can exchange kickers for quarterbacks, running backs for wide receivers, defenders for... You can do whatever you want, ladies and gentlemen. It is that easy. Please contact me if you have any questions. I will be more than glad to help you, as will be your Loma Football League commissioners. Good luck this week, and good luck the rest of your season. Bye-bye.